Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to use the Help menu in Google Drawings. So if there's something you're stuck with or you're not sure how to do, you can click on Help and you'll have a number of options. The first option is to search the menus. Now what this means is this will search menus in Google Drawings. If you were to do the same thing in Google Docs, it would just search the menus in Google Docs. So if you know that there's something you want to do in the menus and maybe you just can't remember where it is, type in what you are looking for and then you'll get different menu options that are in the menus. It doesn't open the menus, it just shows you what the options are. But when you click on this, it's like clicking on the option in the menu. So if I click on Show Guides, it shows the guides. It doesn't tell me how to find that in the menu, it just does it for me. All right, so if I need to quickly find something and I'm not sure I remember where it is, I can go to the Help menu, search for it, and immediately find it and click it. Or I can click on Help. This will open up a pop-up with help resources, a number of articles. I can search the help, ask the community, visit a help forum. If I think I might know what I'm looking for, I can click on Guides and it will give me my results. So these might help. This help menu though is more generic. It's not necessarily tailored to Google Drawings. So if you have a general question, this might help you. You can report a problem. Let's say that there's something that's not working the way you expected. Click on Report a Problem. Pop-up shows up. You can describe the problem, take a screenshot of it if you want to help them visualize it, and then send it on to Google and maybe they will get back to you. If you're in a document that maybe someone else is the owner of and that document you think might violate Google's terms of use or something, you can report abuse. And then there's the always handy keyboard shortcuts. If you click on keyboard shortcuts, you get a giant document of all the keyboard shortcuts that you can use. That saves a lot of time looking for things in menus. And they're even divided up by topic, selection, text formatting, paragraph formatting, and so on. So if you're struggling and you're not sure what to do or where to find it, you can always use the Google Help menu in Google Drawings to help you out.